A new tool will let Lincoln Trail College students weld virtually. Lincoln Electric's VRTEX 360 is a simulator that uses virtual reality to help students like Gracie Groves learn how to weld.
It's honestly such a cool experience that the school even had the opportunity to get this. I feel like it's once in a lifetime because, I'm not going to go out in the world and get a VR set just for welding. So to have this, it's a huge opportunity for us.
Instructors can see what the students see in the VR goggles, and welding specialist Jackson Hemrich says it helps them work with the students.
It's very important because it lets us to see every aspect. Usually when we're working with somebody, we see one aspect that we're watching for, and we got to go step by step to fix it.
Students get instant feedback and scoring of key welding parameters from the simulator. Hemrich says it has some other benefits too.
I'd say one big advantage is saving cost of materials and rods and consumables, and also the safety aspect probably of getting a new kid to try it without worrying about getting burnt or anything happening.
He says it will be a great recruiting tool, and Groves agrees.
I feel like it would make them more excited to do it because everything in our life right now is on our phones, on a screen, and having that, I feel like it would just have everyone more willing to do it.
The VRTEX 360 allows students to practice different kinds of welds with the goal of making training smarter, faster, and more efficient. For LTTV, I'm Chris Ford.